Welcome to AI Tech Center. Today, we're thrilled to have SEO expert with us in the studio. She's here to show us how to make a blog post ranked higher in Google. Imagine this scenario. You've spent hours, maybe even days, crafting a blog post you believe is your best work yet. You've poured your knowledge, experience, and creativity into it, and you're convinced it will resonate with your audience. You hit the publish button, expecting an influx of readers, but instead, you hear crickets. Days pass, and the traffic is trickling in. It's frustrating, isn't it? This situation is all too familiar for many bloggers. The truth is, creating excellent content is just the first step. To ensure your hard work doesn't go unnoticed, you need to make sure your blog post is optimized to rank higher in Google. This presentation by Amanda will walk you through actionable strategies to help your blog posts rise in search engine rankings and attract the audience they deserve. Amanda, the floor is yours. Let's dive right in.
Introduction. Importance of web design in SEO. Today, let's explore the crucial relationship between web design and SEO. It's important to understand that a well-designed website is no longer just a nice-to-have, it's a necessity. A poorly designed site can drive users away, with 53% of mobile users abandoning sites that take longer than 3 seconds to load. This is why web design is so critical for your site's success. SEO. Beyond keywords and backlinks. SEO is no longer just about stuffing keywords and building backlinks. In today's digital landscape, it also involves the technical aspects of web design. How your website is designed directly impacts its performance, user experience, and ultimately, its search rankings. In short, web design and SEO are now deeply intertwined. The technical foundations, code quality and structure. Let's start with the basics, the quality and structure of your code. Clean, well-structured code is the foundation of a successful website. It involves using semantic HTML, optimizing images, and minimizing scripts. Not only does this make your site more user-friendly, but it also makes it easier for search engines to crawl and index your pages, giving your SEO efforts a significant boost. Search engine crawlers and code. Search engine crawlers are the robots that navigate and understand your site through its code. If your code is disorganized or cluttered, it can prevent these crawlers from properly indexing your content. This is why a well-structured codebase is essential for better SEO performance. The role of user experience, UX, in SEO. Now let's talk about user experience, or UX, which has become a significant ranking factor for search engines. Google measures factors like bounce rate, time on page, and click-through rates, CTR, to gauge user satisfaction. A positive UX signals to search engines that your site provides value, which can lead to higher rankings. Consequences of poor user experience, UX. On the flip side, poor user experience can have dire consequences. Difficult navigation, cluttered layouts, and slow load times can lead to high bounce rates and low user engagement, negatively impacting your SEO. In today's digital world, UX isn't just a part of web design, it's a critical component of your SEO strategy. Importance of a visually appealing website. First impressions matter, especially online. A visually appealing website can significantly influence user decisions. It helps establish your brand identity, enhances user engagement, and builds trust with your audience. When users have a positive experience, they're more likely to return, which is great for both your business and your SEO. Visual appeal and accessibility. But visual appeal isn't just about looking good, it's also about accessibility. This means using high contrast colors and legible fonts and ensuring your site is readable for all users, including those with disabilities. Complying with accessibility guidelines can improve user experience and align with search engine requirements, which can improve SEO. Why mobile-friendly design is crucial for SEO. With the rise of mobile search, having a mobile-friendly design is more important than ever. Mobile search has surpassed desktop, with 59% of global web traffic coming from mobile devices in 2023. Google recognizes this shift and prioritizes mobile-friendly sites in its rankings, making it crucial for your SEO success. Mobile-first indexing. This brings us to mobile-first indexing. Google now primarily uses the mobile version of your site for indexing and ranking. This means that if your site isn't optimized for mobile, you could miss out on significant search visibility. Mobile friendliness isn't just an option anymore. It's a key to SEO success. Google's mobile-friendly test. So, how do you ensure your site is mobile-friendly? Google's mobile-friendly test is a great place to start. Make sure your site has a responsive design, readable text, interactive elements, and fast loading times. Passing this test is essential for maintaining or improving your search rankings. Why fast loading times are essential for SEO. Site speed is another crucial factor for both user experience and SEO. A study by Akamai found that a 2-second delay in page load time can increase bounce rates by 103%. Fast-loading sites not only provide a better user experience, but also lead to higher engagement and conversions. In 2021, Google introduced Core Web Vitals, a set of metrics designed to measure user experience more accurately. These include largest contentful paint, LCP, first input delay, FID, and cumulative layout shift, CLS. Optimizing your site for these metrics is now an essential part of any successful SEO strategy. Core Web Vitals and SEO. To improve your Core Web Vitals, focus on enhancing site speed and stability. This can be done by optimizing images, leveraging browser caching, using a content delivery network, CDN, and minimizing JavaScript. These steps will help you not only meet Google's standards, but also provide a better experience for your users. Responsive design versus mobile-first design. Let's discuss the two main approaches to mobile optimization: responsive design and mobile-first design. Responsive design adjusts your site's layout to fit different screen sizes, offering a consistent experience across all devices. It's ideal for sites targeting diverse audiences, using various devices. Benefits of responsive design. Responsive design offers flexibility and ease of maintenance. With this approach, you deliver the same content to all users, regardless of their device. This not only simplifies content management, but also makes it easier for search engines to index your site, benefiting your SEO. Understanding mobile-first design. Mobile-first design, on the other hand, starts with the mobile version of your site and builds up from there. This approach prioritizes the mobile user experience, leading to a cleaner, more efficient design. It's especially effective for sites with a predominantly mobile audience. Which design approach is better for SEO? It depends on your audience. Responsive design is best for diverse audiences with varied device usage and is easier to implement and maintain. However, if your site has a dominant mobile traffic, mobile-first design may be the superior choice, especially with Google's emphasis on mobile-first indexing. Conclusion: integrating web design and SEO for success. Web design and SEO are intrinsically linked. To achieve success online, you need to focus on site speed, mobile optimization, user experience, and code quality. By staying ahead of these trends, you can improve your search rankings and drive business success. My final thoughts. Remember, a visually appealing, user-friendly site is no longer optional, it's a necessity. Choose a design approach that suits your audience and aligns with your SEO goals. By integrating web design with SEO, you can create a high-performing website that stands out in today's competitive digital landscape.
Thank you, Amanda, for that delightful presentation. Friends, I hope you found it enjoyable. If you need any assistance, feel free to leave a comment below this video. I'd be more than happy to help. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Your support motivates me to continue creating content on various topics. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.